friends, this is me Azmeen and welcome you all to my channel The Glam Mom. In today's video, we're going to do a DIY on how to make a hand sanitizer at home in a very simple way. The reason I have made this video is seeing the scarcity of hand sanitizers available in the market because of the coronavirus that we all are aware of. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay friends, so now to start with, we need a mixing bowl, a measuring spoon, few drops of Dettol liquid, an empty bottle to store, essential oil, aloe vera gel and alcohol, that is surgical spirit that we are going to use in this. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, we'll be taking 1 measure of aloe vera gel, with 2 measures of surgical spirit. So we're going to put 2 measures. So we've taken 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of surgical spirit. And we're going to mix it nicely. Mix it till the whole thing gets nicely dissolved inside. Once this is partly dissolved, we're going to put in a few drops of Dettol. And about 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. You can take the oil of your choice. And keep on mixing it nicely. Now the reason we've taken this is we've used spirit because spirit contains high levels of alcohol content which helps to kill germs. Next we've taken is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel makes the skin really soft and soothing, and it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. We've used essential oil, that is for fragrance. You can use the essential oil as per your liking and your choice. And then we've put in Dettol liquid, that is Dettol always gives us protection against germs which causes any kinds of infection. Okay, so now this is really mixed nicely. I'm going to put it into a transparent beaker so you can see it. I'm going to pour it in this. So you see my sanitizer is now totally ready to use. I'm going to pour this in an empty bottle that you can store it. And I'm going to give it a good shake to the bottle. and we leave it aside for about 5-10 minutes. Let it nicely set properly, and then it's ready for use. You see, now this is ready for use. Okay friends, I hope you really liked my video, as I have really tried to make it very simple, and even the products used in my sanitizers are available easily in the market in any of the chemist stores. So friends, if you've liked my video, don't forget to press the like button below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also pour in all your valuable comments below. So friends, please share this video with your friends and family. Okay, see you for now. Bye bye.